Hi, I am Sina Aguili from Harmony Public Schools. Today I will be talking about the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where the next numbers are found by adding up the two numbers before it. It can also be written as this rule: xn equals xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2, where xn is the term number and xn minus 1 is the previous number and xn minus 2 is the term before that. In addition, if you take any two successive Fibonacci numbers, their ratio is very close to the golden ratio of 1.618, and the bigger the pair of Fibonacci numbers, the closer it is to it. Here I drew a plant whose leaves increase by Fibonacci numbers with every level. Then I drew how a bee colony starts and grows each year in accordance with the Fibonacci sequence. I also drew a piano keyboard which shows how there are 5 black keys for 8 white keys, resulting in 13 keys in one octave. For my social studies component, I wrote a research paper that talks about the rich history, influences, and the origins of the famous Fibonacci sequence. For my ELA project, I wrote an argumentative essay that argued against the claims of many who believe that the Fibonacci sequence cannot be found in daily life and is rather just a math concept. Thanks for watching Harmony Public Schools.